Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Trust Wallet account on your iPhone. First, download the official Trust Wallet app from the Apple App Store. It's crucial to use the official source to ensure your wallet's security. Make sure your iPhone has a strong internet connection for a smooth installation process. Trust Wallet is a free, self-custody cryptocurrency wallet, meaning you control your private keys. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Create a New Wallet. You'll then need to review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy to proceed. Next, set a secure 6-digit passcode to protect access to the app on your device. For added convenience and security, you can also enable biometric authentication like Face ID or Touch ID on your iPhone. This is the most critical step. You will be shown a 12-word recovery phrase. Write these words down precisely, in the correct order, on a physical piece of paper. Do not take a screenshot or store it digitally. This phrase is your master key. It allows you to restore your wallet if your phone is lost or damaged. Keep it in a secure, private place like a safe and never share it with anyone. After writing down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct sequence. This verifies you've recorded it accurately. Once confirmed, your Trust Wallet is successfully set up and ready for you to manage your digital assets. You can now send, receive, and explore various cryptocurrencies. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.